folks, I have a baritone to show you. This is for Joe, number 982. And it's a baritone tuned GCEA, so with a special set of strings we can do that. The body for this wood is all cherry from our local orchards that Larry and I harvested. It's got all kinds of knots and branch marks and whatever in it. It's really cool wood. And it's got a medium density feel. It's not as hard as a lot of store-bought cherry, so it's good for top, back, and sides. And the rest of the instrument, oh yeah, we've got a mahogany neck. And the rest of the instrument is walnut, including a pretty cool walnut pickguard there. Yeah, it feels really good. And I do have some more cherry like this. I don't have a lot that's baritone sized, but I have plenty for other instruments. So drop me a line. Cheers.